and welcome to Prince Maths Clinic. Here we have a very interesting question on the board and we are going to be providing answer to it. Now, we're asked to find the value of x in this particular equation. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this particular part of the equation and equate it to something. Now, I'm going to say x to the power of log 9 base 8. I'll equate it to q. So, the next step I'm going to take is to take the log of both sides. I'm going to say log, and I'm going to take that log in base 8. So, log of x to the power of log 9 base 8. Why am I taking it in base 8? Because the power here has base 8. So, I have to give this base 8. Then, log of q in base 8. Good. Now, from this law of logarithm that says if I have log of y to the power of n base b, the power here multiplies the log, becomes what? N log y base b. I'm going to apply it here and it's going to look like this: log of 9 base 8 multiplied by log of x base 8. We know that if I have a multiplied by b, is the same thing as b multiplied by a. So it means 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. All will give you 6. Good. We know that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring log 8, log x base 8 before log 9 base 8, all equals to log q base 8. So I brought this before this in this other line. Now, the reason for doing this is because I want to take this back to look like this. You know, I told you that if you have log y to base n in base b, it becomes n log y base b. So I want to take this n back. So this will become the power of this. Therefore, I will have log of 9 base 8 carrying the power of log x base 8, all equals to log of q base 8. Now, we know that if I have this in mathematics, that is, let's say log p base a equals to log q base a, I can say my log a cancels my log a, so that p will be equals to q. Right? So, therefore, this is log 8. This is log 8. Log 8, I'll write this, log x to base 8 equals to log, so that log in base 8 will cancel log in base 8, so that my q will become 9 log x to base 8. Then recall that we call this q. Is it not so? We said this is q. So what does it mean? It means that if this is q, this implies that x log, it then means that x log 9 to base 8 is equals to 9. Remember, this 9 is carrying this log, is a power there. So this becomes 9 log x to base 8. So if these two are equal, it's like Kende is equal to Taiwo. For those of us that are in Nigeria, mean two twins. The twins are equal. So that means that this part is equal to this part. So if I have this, what I have here is what I have here. Therefore, I can lift what I have here to replace this equation here. So therefore, 7 log x to base 8 multiplied by x log 9 to base 8 equal 3, 9, 6, 9. Therefore, I can say 7 log x to base 8. Then, instead of writing this now, I can replace it with this part, which is 9 to the power of log x to base 8, all equals to 3, 9, 6, 9. Now, what do you observe? The powers are the same. A to the power of x plus b to the power of x. Since the both of them have the same power of x and x, I can say it's ab, all to the power of x. So I'm going to apply that here. So therefore, this will now look like this: 7 times 9, all carrying the power of what? Log of x to base 8 equals to 3, 9, 6, 9. And 7 times 9 is 63. So it means 63 to the power of log x base 8. And 3, 9, 6, 9 is the same thing as 63 to the power of 2. Now that the bases are equal, it means that the powers are the same. So since the bases are equal, therefore powers are same. So what does that imply? It implies that my log of x to base 8 is equals to 2. So I can now convert this from logarithm to indices. Remember the definition: logarithm is the power to which a base can be raised. Therefore, x is the same thing as 8 to the power of 2. And 8 to the power of 2 means 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. That is the solution. And with that, we've come to the end of this lesson. So kindly click on the subscribe button if you have not done so. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. And together we shall enjoy simplified maths. Bye.